The most important of all is to take care of nature, take care of Mother Nature, take care of Father Nature, and take care of natural's entirety. That is the real most important of all, and it has always been that way. Please summon the best eternity for nature. Please summon the best eternity for Father Nature, Mother Nature, nature's entire family, and natural's all. Please summon the best eternity for natural's entirety. Please make sure that this video gets to the best location, the best audience, and the best for nature. Please make the real, goodest, best changes. I have summoned the best for nature. I have summoned the best for Mother Nature. I have summoned the best for Father Nature. I have summoned the best for the entirety of natural's all. I have summoned the best for the environments and ecosystems. I have summoned the best for every tree and every plant. I have summoned the best eternity for every tree and every plant. I have summoned the best eternity for nature's entirety. I have summoned the best eternity for Mother Nature's all. I have summoned the best eternity for Mother Nature's entirety. I have summoned the best eternity for nature's entirety. Please get these wishes and prayers granted and answered in the best way for nature, Mother Nature, Father Nature, and natural's entirety. Thank you very much.